Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Tanya from Tanya's Kitchen, and today I am bringing you a Middle Eastern grocery haul and a what's for dinner. So the first thing I want to start off with is my canned items. I got fava beans for my morning food, peas and carrots, kettle corn, black bean, chickpeas, and a whole lot of ashta. I want to do some delicious ashta dessert recipes. And then I got my lentils here and some bulgur number 1 and bulgur number 4. I also got some cheeses, string cheese, mild cheddar and Monterey Jack. And then these, we don't have any children in the family, but these were so nostalgic. The little, I don't know, those are stars or little flowers. And then the alphabet soup, I had to pick these up. And some vermicelli. I make my rice with this, so I'm always buying these. I always have some jello in the house and some yogurt, and then just some breads, whole wheat toast, muffin bread, and everything bagel. And then I got some turkey, oven roasted turkey, and bacon. And then some salads, a mixed spring salad, gelatine for the jello, some tea, carrots, my favorite turşu, cucumbers, my Nescafe, and some cucumbers again. This adobe seasoning, I've been seeing it on TikTok, so I want to try it. I've never tried it. My chicken bouillon, some frozen veggies. I got Brussels sprouts, green peas, and broccoli, and some corn. And then for today's dinner, I'm going to be using this organic chicken. I got drumsticks, and I also got chicken breast, which I'm going to put this in the freezer for a different dinner or lunch. Got some avocados, mangoes, bananas, and some peaches. And what else did I get? Pineapple. So yeah, let's start to make our dinner. So the first thing I'm doing is washing my drumsticks. The exact recipe will also be down below, but basically I'm starting off with 10 drumsticks. I wash them well and I'm just setting them aside to get dry. And then for sanitary reasons, everything, I wash completely my entire sink. Now that the chicken is dry, I put them into a bowl and I start seasoning. I had salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some red pepper and paprika. Again, exact measurements will be down below. I then add some canola oil. I add lemon juice. Don't be shy with the lemon juice. This is all the flavor here. I add some pepper paste. And lastly, I add a lot of smashed garlic. I mix everything together until everything is really well combined. All the drumsticks are properly coated, and then I leave this to the side and I continue to the next step, which is my French fries. So I wash and I peel my potatoes, and with my favorite knife, which I got from Amazon, give it a little design, I start to cut up my potatoes. I then drizzle some canola oil onto the potatoes. I add some salt to taste, some garlic powder, and some paprika. I mix this up a little bit with my hands, and then I take my drumsticks back out and I begin to plate it on the same tray as my potatoes. Once all the drumsticks are in, make sure you get all of this excess garlic and lemon juice and toss it on there. Now I have my oven preheated to 350. I toss this in with foil for about 1 hour. Now I'm gonna make two very simple side dishes. The first one is a spinach and yogurt dish. I have some water and I'm gonna throw some spinach inside this entire bag and just let the spinach wilt. Once it's wilted, I add a quart of yogurt in there. I add salt to taste and I just keep this in my fridge to cool down until the food is ready. I did add also a little bit of water as well here so that it's easier to mix the yogurt in. So this was about an hour later. I took the drumsticks out of the oven. I want to take the foil off and I want to let it cook on 400 for another hour. And the whole house smelled of lemon and garlic. It was so delicious. Here I begin to make my rice. I have a little bit of oil in the pan and I am browning some vermicelli. I then add 2 cups of rice, which I had washed very well, and a little bit of butter. I then add 4 cups of water, cold water, and I wait for the water to boil a little bit. I throw in a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, give this a mix. When it starts boiling on the side here, I close the top and put it on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then everything is ready. I take my chicken out of the oven. My rice is ready. My spinach is ready. And it's ready to eat. So I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.